సంవత్సరాల తరబడి ఎన్ని మందులు వాడినా మీ మోకాల నొప్పులు తగ్గట్లేదా? ప్రాణ పెయిన్ క్లినిక్ లో అత్యాధునిక చికిత్స.
Hi Anil.
Hello Sirisha.
How are you?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm too good, sir. Thank you. And anyways, as we discussed 5% guarantee returns in stock market. In that episode, you just said like we will get so many rare opportunities in stock market. So how we can find out that rare opportunities and earn especially more than 5%? Is possible?
Correct. You're damn right. In fact, above 5%, approximately about 20 to 25%
We can
in
earn.
a month per lakh.
Okay.
Per lakh.
Is it?
Absolutely. It's practically possible, and I'm going to show that to you. It's an open secret.
Okay.
So let me show you that. On every lakh, every month, an investor, long-term investor who has a long-term view, investment into a particular share. I'm not recommending any shares here, or I'm not giving any recommendation specially to buy this or that. I'm only educating all our viewers, all our subscribers who are more interested to gain knowledge and learn a lot of things when it comes to investment scenario. So absolutely, so this is my disclaimer. I'm not recommending here. I'm giving you just an information for educational purpose only. Now, coming to the profit part, because we all are taking so much of risk.
Yes.
In short term or in medium term or in maybe in long term, there is a lot of risk involved. But you need to mitigate the risk. See, what happens is if you mitigate the risk and try to minimize the risk, obviously your profit will get maximized. So that's how a long-term investor gets benefited. Now, in the journey of becoming a long-term investor, what we do is we buy certain good stocks. Every individual investor does that. They keep it as a portfolio for 5 years, 10 years down the line. Now, what happens is, as a long-term investor, if myself or somebody else is buying that long-term stock, keeping that stock for a long-term earning to create that kind of a wealth or get that kind of a power of compounding. Okay. Now, what happens is in this particular journey, most of the stocks are lying idle in our demat account. What NSE has given an opportunity, not me or not anybody else, directly National Stock Exchange has given this opportunity. There is one opportunity where you can give your stocks for rent.
Okay.
Which means that is SLBM, means stocks lending and borrowing mechanism. I'll tell you more on that. Now, if you are holding any stocks for a long term, say for example, lots of people have about 1 lakh in portfolio stocks or 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs or 1 crore, maybe X amount. They have a minimum of one company, maximum of 10 different companies or 20 different company shares they hold. For all of them, this is a golden opportunity. Now, let me tell you how it becomes a golden opportunity. Every month, 5% earning is what we have started the series earlier.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm going to make this video a very special one by giving you an idea of earning about 20 to 25% per lakh in a month.
In a month.
Absolutely. You got the point. Now, let me show you that.
Sure,
now,
sir.
This is
I'm also eagerly waiting for that.
Exactly. Now, this is the National Stock Exchange website.
Yeah.
See, this happened on the 24th of April. I took this screenshot. Along with that, you can see the date and time on this particular year as well. You go to market data and click stock lending and borrowing mechanism option, which will be on the bottom on the left hand side. Once you click on that, you get this page wherein you select the filter by May 2024 and you get to see these many stocks which are trading here. That means these trades happen for a borrower and a lender. A lender has stocks in their portfolio who is going to give their stocks on rent to a borrower. Now, this borrower has got some idea to deal with that share. So now I am going to rent this share to that particular borrower. But what is the guarantee? If that fellow, sells my shares and run out of entire country and, takes away my share and my money as well. Nothing happens of that sort. Do not have any sort of negative thoughts in this particular topic. Why? Because for every borrower and a lender, there is a stockbroker who is in between and who is going to assure your stock is going to come back to you. Why? Because the stock what I'm going to lend, that will be rented through my stockbroker to my borrower. So that particular borrower will take it on rent. He will be charged certain fee with taxes, applicable taxes. Along with that, once his requirement is done, he will return the stocks to the owner of the stock portfolio. So he will get back the shares, the rent, as well as the stockbroker's charges will also be debited by the stockbroker. Now, in between, once I am giving the stocks for rent, if a company is announcing any kind of a bonus or any kind of a dividend, all that will be coming to me. Why? Because I am the absolute owner. I am not transferring the rights of selling the stock to you. I am only giving you the stock for rent. That means the borrower doesn't have any rights onto my stocks. So I am safe. My money is safe, my stocks are safe, and I am going to get a assured rent. So at what rent, that will be decided by the market. For example, every lakh can give you approximately about 5% of returns, and if I am getting about more than 5%, that's a very rare opportunity. It doesn't come every day morning or every day evening. It comes once or twice in a month. This is called a golden opportunity.
At what time, sir, exactly can we detect
Yeah,
that?
timings can, see, timings are not fixed because market opens at 9:15 in the morning and ends at 3:30 p.m. So what happens is generally market either before lunch or after lunch, the opportunity will come. So you need to have your very open eyes and you need to be alert and you need to stay vigilant in stock market, because stock market is such, it is highly dynamic in nature. So you have to ensure that you are always alert. Now, I'll show you the stock name. The first stock has given the profit on that particular day. That is Idea is the company where the buyer is there, the borrower is there for buying 28,172 shares for rent. Whereas the seller is ready, the lender, about 25,000 shares he is having or he or she is having, who are willing to give it for rent. Now, looking at the seller's premium, that is 19 paisa, and the buyer's premium is 10 paisa. So 19 paisa and 10 paisa coming together, making it happen at 25 paisa LTP. LTP means last traded price for that minute, for that hour in that particular day. Okay. So now once the LTP has happened, that means the deal has happened already. So the deal is going to give that kind of a rent. Now, after that, if you look into the second stock, this is UBL, that is United Breweries Company Limited. Now, there was one LTP happened at 8 rupees. That means at every lakh of rupees, I am getting, approximately 8 rupees as a premium per share, which will approximately come to either 4%, 5% or 6% kind of a return per lakh to me. Now, this is the third deal which has happened in Maruti. Maruti is one among the leading stocks, one among the leading companies in Nifty 50. This has given an LTP. Absolutely. This is giving an LTP of 10 rupees. That is a 10 rupees premium being charged for giving it on rent. Now, these particular LTPs, what are happening, will be given for 1 month. Exactly. So, this 1 month rent will be coming back to me along with my shares once the deal is completed. So that company borrower whoever has taken the shares on rent, they have to give it back on time, and this will be ensured by the stockbroker. So I need not worry. I am having my shares, I am going to get my rent as per the norms of the NSE, whichever has laid down the process. Now coming to the second list. This is the second list of that particular screenshot. See, I have taken it on the very same day on the 24th of April 2024 at 15:22 hours. That means 3 o'clock 22 minutes PM when the market was opened. In fact, market will close at 3:30. So now this deal has happened. If you look at this HDFC AMC stock, it has happened at 1 paisa. That was the premium. And for Gujarat Gas, it was 30 paisa for all the shares. If you go to SLBM section, you'll come to know all these details. And if you are quite confused how to make that kind of a money, definitely I'm always there to teach you in my class.
How we need to approach you, sir, regarding this, all the information which we want?
Oh, wow, that's a very good question, Sirisha. In fact, I would definitely urge all the investors and the subscribers and viewers in Suman TV to take the advantage of this 12th of May, where we are going to have an online and an offline class. Starting from 11 a.m. till 4 p.m. we are going to have an exclusive masterclass on this kind of 100% guaranteed class. What you're going to learn in this particular class is how to make money every month for sure.
Okay.
Okay, so this is going to be an exclusive
Online,
class.
offline, sir?
Absolutely, you are going to have an opportunity to learn this on online as well as in offline, because you can sit at the comfort of your home and you can definitely learn entire details on this. If you want more information, please call on the number what you're seeing on the screen. Either if the number is busy, please give a WhatsApp message. Our team will do the needful to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Welcome, Sirisha.
సుమన్ టీవీలో మీ పర్సనల్ అండ్ బిజినెస్ ప్రమోషన్స్ కోసం కింది నెంబర్కి కాంటాక్ట్ చేయండి.